videos. So you can see, yes. So the next one we have is the settings. So when you go to the settings, we have resolution. So we have resolution, we have video quality, we have frame rate. So with the resolution, the normal resolution of video is 720. So you can see it here. Yes, and also the video quality, how quality do you want it to be? So you can leave it at auto. Yes, so we also have frame rate, we have orientation. If you are recording and then you want to rotate it, you can click on orientation to rotate. Yes, the next one we have is audio source. So you can leave it at microphone. Yes, so basically this is the settings you are supposed to do. When you see this, it means it is recording. So when I click on it, you see play, we have pause, and then the next one we have settings, which is the toolbox. So when you click on it, when you click on the toolbox, you will see screenshot. Yes, if you are recording and then you want to be screenshotting whilst recording, you can turn it on. The next one we have is camera. If you want to show your face, you can turn on the camera. Yes, whilst recording, you want to show your face, you can turn on the camera. Then the next one we have is the brush. Yes, so I'm using the brush to illustrate all what is going on my screen. So that is the brush. Then the next one we have is magic button. If you are recording and then you don't want to show some of the settings on your screen, yes, some of the settings on your screen, you can turn on the magic button. For iPhone users, you can record your phone screen even if you don't download any app. So all you need to do is to press down this. You see this feature, you see it is blinking. It is blinking because I'm already using it to record. So you press and hold the feature, you will see microphone. So you will need to turn it on. If you don't turn it on, you'll be speaking without hearing anything, or there will not be sound. So you click to turn it on. So when you turn it on, then you just click on that feature. So you can see it here. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will start recording. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe.